Hey, Shosho. No. You still gotta go right. Alright, sure. I'm here at Umtentweni. And this video you're about to see is for those that are coming down on holiday. So if you're making your way down here to Margate for the July holidays and you're taking the alternative route from Heberden, you're gonna get to this point here. So this is right here in Umtentweni. You're gonna head a right here. I'm gonna make a video of this route so you know exactly how to get through this route and make your way down to the beautiful south coast. So guys, here in Umtentweni, enjoy the video. And to be honest, it's rather scenic, so enjoy the ride. Right, let's go for a ride, guys. Sorry guys, so what I just passed, that's the left onto the freeway if you want to take the toll route, or you can go left here on the alternative route. So there up on the left, I don't know if you can see, that's the N2 freeway. And this is now the free alternative route. This takes you over the Umzimkhulu, but over a low level bridge, of which we're coming up upon now. And here we go over the low-lying bridge. Beautiful little bridge. Always so scenic, girl. You know, when you guys get to the bridge, you hit a left. There's a sign that says Port Shepstone. You can go right, but I don't know that route, but I'll go the route I know. So hit left here, and this road now will essentially take you into Port Shepstone. It's not a bad road. There aren't a lot of barriers on the side. So just take it slow here. Some of the corners are a bit windy, and some people don't really drive the speed limits on such short little blind bends, so just be cautious around here. But also, scenic route, you're driving next to the Umzimkhulu River. You do see it in some spots. But the one thing I must just bring to attention on this road, the one thing I must highlight here on this road now, just before you're getting to Port Shepstone, take it very slow towards the end of this road, because there are speed bumps by the fish on the river, which I'll show you now. These speed bumps, they'll break your car if you hit them too fast, so just be careful. A lot of people get into a nice, you know, groove going around these bends and corners, and it's all great, but then when those speed bumps come and you don't see them, it's gonna wake you up. You see now as well, I'm confused. Is it around the next bend? I'm not too sure. But you'll see what I'm talking about now. These speed bumps are hectic. So guys, just be careful around here. There's a lot of cars that are using this at the moment. This is now the back road. Horrible little dip in there. Just keep both hands on the wheels, guys. Okay. That speed bump is coming up shortly, I'm sure. Okay, I think this is the corner. This is the corner, so take it slow. It comes up. Okay, yeah, here we go. So here's the first speed bump. Just be careful, guys. It is. Everyone takes it very slow. So now coming up on the left here now will be fish on the river. I've eaten there. They've got unbelievable catch of the day. When I ate, it was cob, juicy, fresh caught fish right here on the Umzimkhulu River. It's a stunning place. That's it there. Fish on the river. Lovely place. There's about 4 or 5 sets of speed bumps here. They're basically just here towards the fish on the river. Alright. Are we almost in Port Shepstone CBD? And at first it might look confusing, but if you follow this route, it's actually quite easy. I would say it sets you back approximately 10 minutes from the normal route. However, obviously it is depending on the amount of traffic. You'll be stuck behind a truck, you know, the curveballs we always get when we plan road trips. But hey guys, it's inevitable. Always look on the bright side. At least you got a stunning river next to you, yeah? So as you're coming into Port Shepstone, your first traffic lights, you're gonna hit a left. So as you come off that road now, you'll see you'll drive into the CBD of Shepstone. You'll get your first set of traffic lights here. Take a left here and just go straight all the way. That'll take you to Orabie Plaza where the Pick and Pay is, and then from there you join the road again. So you hit a left here, first set of robots, and straight until you get to the main road again. So we'll go down. And there we go. That's it, guys. So that is the alternative route when you hit Port Shepstone, or when you get to Umtentweni and you get diverted. That route there is the alternative route. Essentially you turn right here and then you carry on towards Margate side. I'm now going to take a drive down to the Shane, let me take one. Sure, my man, thanks. I'm going to take a drive down now to the block where I was yesterday to go see if there's any fishing activity, see if the guys are catching any sardine, any shad. There's a Port Shepstone lighthouse. What a beautiful sight.